Right everyone, welcome to episode 152 of the castle, where I'm going to roll this stick log thing all the way to the castle. That's the plan.
Wake up and I'm rolling out the power cord, crafting it like I'm the muse that found it Ford. Slice that fresh wood like butter, climbing and I leave my foes in the gutter. Level up 1,000 times just this summer. My body is electric, a little eccentric, hard life force field. If you fight me, you better yield. Draw in my mind and open the door. Your bullets fall to the floor. Damn right, Dan Lee wrote the score. Making mazes since I was 2, and yes, I'm a runner. Pull up in spaceship with the Zula as the gunner. I'm living life just to make it funner. Sawdust lying in my eyes, a tear rolls down my face. I split the skies. He woke a force inside as old as time. He sealed his power in a rhyme. 1,000 books and 100 scrolls, genetic code backup so fine. Astral backup, memory storage sealed in signs. Akashic records burned to the mind. Magic staff like freering cut wood like butter. Siren song from the source code, so no stutter. Summon a chest from a pile of wood with a mutter. Rat-a-tat-tat, then it ended there.
Right, I've got to find a way to move this wheel up this mountain.
Flap of the wings, a flick of my feathers. Step on the board and I change the weather. Stare into your soul, paralyze your mind severed. Rat-a-tat-tat, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Okay, I think I'm going to have to build a ramp out of stone in order to roll it all the way up and around. So I'm gonna try and do that.
Next up, that sword, pattern on the bench, cardboard mock-up, till the angles all make sense. Shield by the door, torch by the frame. Who said make believe has to stay in the game? I'll make armor that shines from the hardest stone. Every swing, every strike says I built my own. Magic staff like freering cut wood like butter. Siren song from the source code, so no stutter. Summon a chest from a pile of wood with a mutter. Rat-a-tat-tat, then it ended there.
Right, I managed to build a ramp and roll it up the hill halfway, but here we're coming to a point where we're kind of run out of road, and it's going to run out of road. So I'm probably going to have to build some road in order to get it up there. So I've got a wheel load of some stones and sticks, and we're going to try and build a small road to get this thing around and up to the top.
Flap of the wings, a flick of my feathers. Step on the board and I change the weather. Stare into your soul, paralyze your mind severed. Rat-a-tat-tat, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
We might have to pull some bits and bobs out of the wall temporarily just to build this road.
Once upon a time, it was dinner time. Big bad pig getting eaten by the wolf tonight. Blow down my house, one shame on me. Blow it down twice, nope, that's not happening. Reinforced steel and I'm building on my winnings. No lone wolf fit a whole.
Oh, this is actually so scary. I managed to roll the log all the way up this little ramp. I flipped it over and then I rolled it up this little ramp I made around the circle. And now we're coming to the most treacherous part of the journey, where there's like barely any road. Like, this wheel is not designed for this road. And I'm just now realizing that I forgot to put the road in there. And I still got to get it all the way around there. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this.
Pack starts grinning. You see one shadow, then 3, then 12. Stacking up levels and put them on my shelves. Climb out of your mirrors and we see in the dark. They come and swing and light them up from the arc. Driving
steel beams with a sledgehammer. Sigils and I etch them in the right banner. Rune trick wise like magic, light 'em up. You set off a war, now I don't give a fuck. Solid cold steel, getting driven in the cold. They think that I'm young, but I'm really, really old. Stone of the philosopher, knowledge of an officer tree. Oh, wisdom glows, luminous and runic followers. I got no bodyguard and no security. If I need it protected, I will just rewrite reality. Dan Lee's just a visitor, disruptor to inhibitors. Careful how you treat visitors. Swords of the spirits, change genetic limits. Turn back time to the Emerald City. F5 of air and cut down, maim on, vaporize your altars while eating a salmon. Smell of fear and it lingers in the air. Crown on my head, I'm the first, not an heir. Think they got me cornered, so I walk right through the wall. Danley, don't forget, and we remote view them all. Satellite grid for an extra pair of eyes. Don't need a screen, telepathic link nice. Switch frequencies and trace all your signals. Wi-Fi like a rainbow on the towers with a jingle. Solid cold steel, getting driven in the cold. They think that I'm young, but I'm really, really old. Stone of the philosopher, knowledge of an officer tree. Oh, wisdom glows, luminance and runic followers. Lavalado Harris. Lavalado Harris. I got no bodyguards and no security. If I need it protected, I will just rewrite reality. Danley's just a visitor, disruptor to inhibitors. Careful how you treat visitors. Sword of the spirits, change genetic limits. Turn back time to the Emerald Cities. F5 of air and cut down, maim on, vaporize your altars while eating a salmon. Revelation and Leviticus, Smith and relics, oh so intimate. Physicality downgraded from being limitless.
Right, so the water swallowed my wheelbarrow, but I managed to get the log all the way up the ramp and bury it in stones. So that's now my new my little fake door. Or maybe an arrow target, like it looks like a perfect arrow target. Anyway, I've got to run the camera back inside before I get too deep in the water. And I'm going to have to get wet socks in order to retrieve the wheelbarrow. But that's today's progress. Oh, look at all that water. Sun's going down, we're running out of light. We just got here at the very end. Now, the way that I get back, I have to climb over this new section of extra tall wall that I made. And you got to be really careful how you distribute your weight, otherwise you will take a tumble. I do not like doing the tumble when I don't have to. And then in order to get back, you have to walk along to a section of the wall that's within jumping distance to the Peninsula Bridge, which is kind of hidden at the moment. Anyway, I'm not going to waste any more time, otherwise it's very wet. Luckily, my little booties are just barely tall enough around the rims to get back across the land bridge when the water is this high without me getting wet socks. Obviously I can always get back with wet socks, it's just that wet socks aren't all that fun. Anyway, I made it. That's what it looks like. You can see my little ramp that goes from the bottom all the way up. Also, I can now use that ramp probably to maybe get the wheelbarrow up there, but I'll probably have to build it a little bit bigger. That way I'll be able to just constantly build a circular ramp around the castle, maybe. I'm not saying this is what I'm actually going to do, but it's a possibility at least. I now know that I can build a little load-bearing ramp all the way around and then just slowly make a swirly whirly spiral to the top, however tall I want to make it. Whoa. Anyway, thank you for watching. I've got to say, it was a bit of a mission rolling the little log all the way up the hill, tripsy-traipsing it to the top. A little discouraging when it rolled to the bottom again, but at least it only happened one time. We managed to get it perfect on the second time. We didn't have to pick it up from being splooshed in the water or anything like that. And we did it just in the nick of time. If we'd been even slightly too much later, we would have just, we would have not been able to do it. Anyway, that's the progress. That's the end of episode 152. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Toodaloo.
Made of dust, hey, and a yo-ho-ho. Danley's tower with a force rainbow, hey, and a yo-ho-ho. Rainbow bug zapper make the bad guys go, hey, and a yo-ho-ho. Rainbow bug zapper make the silly noobs get zapped. Rainbows and fluffy clouds, seagull flags.